guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Jazz, and I'm back with another video. You guys, I got a lot of questions on how I do my brows, y'all, and I really don't think they're the best. Like, I know people have other ways of how they do their brows, but I've got a lot of questions on how I do my brows, and guess what, y'all, I'm gonna show you. So yeah, as you know, I'm not a makeup artist, so no, this might not be the best way to do your brows, but this is the most simple way for me to do my brows. So the first thing that I do, I use these tweezers just to pluck any unwanted hairs that I have. And so I just pluck them just to get the little extra stray hairs like that I might have. And then I use this right here. It's called Done-in-One Brow Pomade in dark brown. But I mean, any one that you can find, I guess, is really fine. You know, Morphe has a MAC, anywhere, but I feel like this is cheap and it does the job, so I use this. And then I also use this it's like an angled brush, and then it has a little spoolie. Normally what I do is just brush my brows kind of upwards just a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna use my Kylie blush just for the mirror because I can't really just use this, y'all. But y'all, it still got plastic in it. Take the plastic out. So now I'm just gonna make sure this is like really straight, as you can see, and I'm just gonna dip it in here just a little bit. You don't need a lot. And I'm just gonna go follow like my brows at the bottom, so y'all can see I kind of got a little bit on my skin already. Just wipe that off, and it comes off real easy, as you can see. But I start at the front, and I just lightly make a line at the bottom, and I get some more, just a little bit, you guys. And I go at the top, not too high, because you don't want them super thick brows, y'all. And there you have it. It's simple, real simple, you guys. And what I do is just go in and darken it up, and you can make it as dark as you want to make it. But I don't make it too dark at the top, like right here, because I don't like those boxy eyebrows. That's so ugly to me, you guys. And just darken it up as you go. And you don't have to be too perfect, because whatever you don't get, or like if you messed up, you can easily go with some concealer, and I'm gonna show you how to do that too, with some concealer, just to sharpen it up and make it flawless. But sometimes I get it right, so I don't even have to use concealer, guys. And then I just take this right here and I just kind of brush it out so it won't be so harsh in the front, so it can kind of have that ombre effect. And most people just kind of brush theirs up, but I don't normally do that. I just kind of do it like that. And then anytime I see that it's like too dark, I'll just kind of take my finger and go like that. And then just do the same thing for the other eye. Now, if you wanted to clean it up, I normally take a concealer brush like this, and then I just put a little bit of concealer on the tip. Not a lot. I know I see a lot of people and they normally do a lot, but hey, I don't have the coins like that to be wasting concealer and putting all that concealer on my face. So yeah, I just use a little bit because I'm not that perfect and I mess up. So yeah. So just take it like this, and I mean be very careful, because yeah, you don't want to mess it up. So I put it on this side. And normally people put it on the top, but I don't, because I really just, I don't see the purpose in it. But I mean, some people do. And I normally just spread it enough so when I get ready to put my eyeshadow on, it's my eyeshadow base. But that's how I do my brows, you guys. And if you get concealer, like, see how I did that? You can always just go back with this and just go back over it. And it comes out perfect. Just that simple, y'all. And I'm gonna do the other one off camera and come back just so you guys can see. And one thing you guys need to know is that they don't have to be perfect, because what's they saying? They said your eyebrows are like, what, cousins or something like that, not sisters. So they don't have to be identical. I mean, I know you want them to be identical, but they ain't gonna always come out like this. So hey, whatever. Okay, as you see, I did this eye all done. Got my brows done. So yeah, guys, that's how I do my brows. And you know, it's simple, it's really easy. They're not the best brows, like, you know, makeup professional brows, but hey,
I get the job done, okay?
So as always, you guys, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, you guys. And also follow me on Instagram. And as always, don't forget to what?
Make sure to hit the notification bell.
Yeah, hit the notification bell. And don't forget to what? Come back, come back, come back.
Bye.
Bye, guys.